The most precious substance in our universe is not gold, nor soil. It's not a prinker ink. It's antimatter. But it's worth every penny of its very high cost, because it may hold the answer to the question of why anything exists in our universe at all. What is it? Coming on right now. Nature, for every yin there is a yang. For each type of particle of matter, there is a corresponding type of particle of an antimatter. For example, anti-electron has the same mass as the electron, but the electric charge is positively charged, whereas the anti-electron's electric charge is negatively charged. Like electron, all particles that have electric charge have antiparticle that have the opposite electric charge, making the particle and antiparticle distinctly different. Electrically neutral particles are their own antiparticles. Photon, the particle of light, and antiphotons are one, the same thing, are denoted by a Greek letter pronounced gamma. Some of the neutral bosons such as Z0 and graviton are also the own particles. The key point is that all characteristics of a particle and its antiparticle exactly cancels one another. If a particle and its antiparticle exactly cancels one another or combines, they annihilate. They totally destroys one another and leave behind only energy. Reverse process is also possible. Any particle-antiparticle pair can be created by pure form of energy, by smashing two particles together often enough and hard enough. One of the few facilities in the world capable of making anti-hydrogen is at the CERN, in Switzerland. There, the alpha experiment is testing the behavior of anti-hydrogen and the multiple ways to see if it deviates from regular hydrogen, deviation that could point to the violation of the CPT symmetry. Alpha uses CERN proton to get the antiprotons. The synchrotron accelerates protons to 10 to 100 joules of giga-electron volts of kinetic energy, corresponding to over 99% of the speed of light. These high-energy protons then hit a metal target and produce a zoo of particles and antiparticles. Some of these byproducts are antiprotons. Voltage applied to the electrodes around the outside of the chamber direct to the antiprotons to a storage called the antiproton decelerator, where they are slowed down by the pulses of radio frequency electric fields as they travel around the ring. They can be redirected to a number of different experiments, including alpha. There, the negatively charged antiprotons are trapped by the combinations of electric and magnetic field in so-called penning trap. Positions also fly to the trap from a radioactive sodium-22 source and pair up with the antiprotons, creating antihydrogen with the antihydrogen. Securely in the trap, scientists measure the difference in the energies between the various positions orbitals in the anti-atoms using laser spectroscopy. The exact energy of one of these states is determined by the many different factors, the precise mass and the energy of the particles, and the orbital angular momentum, the magnetic and electric dipole moments, and even the strength and of the coupling between the particles and the quantum fluctuations of the vacuum. After all, detailing about the antimatter is still a mystery in particle physics. Where the antimatter goes after the formation of the universe from matter, antimatter may change to dark matter or dark energy, or it creates a different universe having anti-property. We still don't know. Thanks for watching video, like and subscribe.